There are dozens of crypto exchanges out there, but why are so many traders choosing Bybit over the rest? None of this is financial advice. Let's dive into this video. Okay, so let's go through why Bybit might just be the best exchange out there, because these guys have tons of different features, some of the best fees in the game, and their liquidity is unmatched. But let's just go through this starting with the features, right? If we go along the top bar here on the Bybit site, we can see tons and tons of different features. We've got a simple buy crypto P2P swap area here. We have markets. We can trade on spot, futures with thousands of different assets. And there's also a bunch of tools that you can access as well, such as copy trading, a trading bot, and Trade GPT, which is basically AI-powered trading. Then, of course, they have their staking side, which is basically DeFi, but on steroids, I would say, because there's just so much you can do with this to access the best gains possible. And if you are a bit newer to trading and crypto as a whole, they even have a learn section here, which is great. But that is most of the features, but they do have a ton of other ones here if you just go to the site. And if we compare this to other exchanges out there, they simply just aren't at this level. The bar has been raised so high from Bybit here that it just makes it the number one choice no matter what you're doing in Web3. Now, when it comes to the fees, we can see that even on the lowest pro level, we can see that on spot trading, there is actually some of the lowest fees in the market. In fact, I would actually say this is the best fee structure, depending on VIP level, that I have seen out there. Now, of course, the more you trade, the lower your fees get. And if you trade over 500 million, then you would actually get some of the best fees possible. And this is actually at institution level. It's not actually hard to get this much trading volume if you're using leverage. Now, when it comes to liquidity, I would say execution speed and deep order books are basically what Bybit is on a trading level. Here we can see at every price here with Bitcoin, we have millions of dollars basically being traded with tons of walls available. So this basically means if you take a trade, you're not going to get massive slippage of hundreds or thousands of dollars like you would do on other exchanges. This just allows you to get the perfect entry and exit points for your trade. Now, another cool feature is the Bybit card. So as you go up in your VIP levels, you'll become applicable for a Bybit card. And basically what this is, it basically allows you to use crypto in your everyday life to pay with a Bybit card at any store that accepts it. And because it is a card, it's basically going to be synced up with things like MasterCard and Visa. So if they accept those, you can basically use your card in any shop. Now, as well as that, unlike other exchanges or other cards out there, you can actually get rebates on what you buy. So you can get 100% rebates with selected partners such as Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, ChatGPT, and TradingView. So this will basically supercharge your rewards if you just use their card. Now, when it comes to leverage, Bybit offer up to 100x on certain contracts. And comparing that to other exchanges, this is definitely on the higher end. Guys, if you're looking to grow your social media, you should definitely be using SMM Go, the sponsor of this video. These guys provide real views, real services, and they have a fantastic support system as well. And to be honest, guys, every YouTuber that gets big starts out using an SMM service, and this is how you can turn your social media into an absolute rocket ship. So don't just take my word for it. Head to smmgo.io today and change your socials for the better with real likes, real views, and real growth across the board. Check it out in the description, and let's get back to the video. Bybit has a cleaner, more intuitive user face than any other exchange out there, as it's completely tailored to the trader. There's also copy trading here, which I am a massive fan of, because if you're a beginner trader, you can basically just pick the traders that are doing well, copy them as you would do on a social media platform, and yes, then all you can do is wait. As they take trades and make money, your account makes money as well. And if you're a little bit hesitant on trading, Bybit do offer a dedicated testnet. So this is basically a demo trading environment where you can test the exchange and basically get to grips with everything that's happening. When it comes to security, Bybit actually offer a reserve ratio system here. So basically what this means is if there is a certain amount of coins in people's wallets on the exchange, they will back that at a 1-to-1 level. So at a random chance event that there was a massive hack or something, these guys basically have in cold wallets that are offline at least 100% in reserve to refund everyone's accounts. Other exchanges try to do this, but because Bybit is so big and reliable, they can actually back every asset that they have at least at a 1-to-1 or 100% here. When it comes to their support, this is some of the best I've seen out there because nobody wants to use an exchange where they can't actually get any problems they have solved quickly. And as you can see here, these guys cover basically everything you need for any question you have on their support section. And you can also talk to one of their support people at any time simply by clicking the bottom right button. Now, as well as that, they have an NFT marketplace, which is integrated with a Web3 wallet. So this would be similar to a DEX, but they give additional features beyond trading with this. And of course, they're always doing events. Here we can see that's just about to start, actually, the WSOT. This is one of the biggest trading competitions out there when it comes to the trading world. And you can see the prize pool here is $10 million. This actually starts in 4 days, so if you're interested, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how to sign up with Bybit. If you sign up with the link in the description, you'll be sent to this page here. This will not only give you access to Bybit, leverage, options, but you'll also get access to Bybit Sharks. This is a community and group that is completely free to join, and you get access to their alpha telegram, which is coming soon. Signing up is super easy. Simply click the link in the description, and then you'll be sent to this screen here. From this point, all you got to do is enter your email address like so. And then all you got to do is type in your email, create a password, make sure it says the Sharks referral code here. And then you simply press get my welcome gifts. Next, you want to go to your email. And as you can see, I have an email from Bybit here. So we're going to click that, copy the code, and then paste that into Bybit. And now we have our account. Now, of course, depending on your region, you may have to submit a valid ID. This is absolutely fine and a very normal thing for most exchanges. It usually takes between 2 and 5 minutes, and from that point, you simply deposit, and then you'll be able to access your rewards. But overall, Bybit is one of the best exchanges out there, and if you're not using it already, definitely consider doing it with Bybit Sharks, because we have a Telegram group coming soon, which is definitely going to be helping you with trades, new gems, and of course, any TA and help you need. Of course, this is all free because we're trying to build a big community here. But overall, with Bybit, it's better tools, lower fees, and extra features. It's no wonder traders are switching to Bybit. Try Bybit today and see the difference for yourself. Sign up with the exclusive link below to get access to the alpha group coming soon. See you guys in the next video.